Welcome to Daryn Klein Racing. It is Thursday, about 4:30. Tonight we are going to put shocks and springs together. Calling for 2.5 to 3 inches of rain starting tonight about 6 o'clock until early Saturday morning. So racing looks bleak again this weekend. Pretty much everywhere has already rained out. We're just waiting for Highland to say they're canceling it because of all the rain. Stick around, check out what we're doing. Put a little too much grease in or not enough?
No, good enough. What'd you do? What'd you do?
I said this might be a big motherfucker here.
Shit. All our good tire wraps are at my place. Mother.
You took a whole bag, didn't you?
Fuck yeah, I took everything. Why wouldn't I? That sucks. What do we have? Just Harbor Freight shit here?
What's in the track?
Ooh, there might be some in the track box. Yeah, a couple. You maybe get like, I haven't tire wrapped that many shocks.
Do I?
I said, I don't tire wrap that many. Where's our tire wrap pliers, guys? What? No. All our tools end up in this toolbox. They ain't in here yet.
Is it in your house?
No, I want my own.
Why is it put up here?
It's right here.
Right there.
I think where pliers go. Come on now. What's wrong with you guys?
So I'm getting tired yet?
Yep.
He's one of them like zero movement things where they
No. I figured he'd have one. I just figured I might get tired until I ask.
Brian's got one of them. Aggressive does where it kind of auto levels and rotates and shit.
Follows you?
Yeah. You twist the bar and that goes right in there and holds it straight up. So it's a little taller.
Alright, but this was, there's no way that was inside here. That's what I'm
Yeah,
getting
it was. The nose went down there.
at. Right, but look, we're bigger than the tarp. Right now is what I'm getting at. If we flip it over, it ain't going inside there.
It was in there. This one was in there. We had it in there. Or the white one was in there. That was off the car. You want to try it? I'll show you. Let's see.
Crash carton.
take yours your way a little bit?
No, I'm hitting.
This has to come out through here.
It's got to go on the outside?
Huh?
You need to be inside that bar, right?
I need this white fairing to come out through here.
Okay. I definitely like it stood up better than that.
I was showing him what we had. There you go. Now look, now straight up. Now straight up. Straight up. Keep going, keep going. Right there is how it was. That's how it was. Actually, it's offset. We did move these a little bit too, so.
I think that the other way is a lot easier. I mean, you're going to have to do more work.
But see, I was trying to do that to prevent it from sticking below the floor so much.
Yeah, but if you turn it around the other way, you stand it up, it won't be.
Correct. We just have, we're gonna have to do a lot of cutting and hacking on it.
Yeah, you have to cut this part off here and this here.
A little bit of work, attorney, if you're doing it right.
Just worry about your fucking chops.
That you should have had done 6 weeks ago.
I just got the parts for it.
No, you could have ordered the part 6 weeks ago if you would have got on it.
That's not true.
Make sure that's on the video.
Huh? Me? They were waiting for Ford to get over with to figure it all out. You all don't even know what the fuck's going on. There's some more dumb stuff over there. Oh yeah. I'll give this guy back here too. It's kind of important. Nope. This motherfucker. Bad deal. Okay.
Well, it's 7:45. Rain is here. I don't know if you could just see the lightning, but it's starting to lightning. It's supposed to get 2.5 to 3 inches of rain between now and probably this time tomorrow night. And we got enough shocks put together. Got a couple more still to do. Getting closer. Belton. Still shocking.
Basically, when you clean that stuff, did you pick stuff up?
No. I left. Starting to come together.
But you gotta start somewhere to hold the damn thing. It's so freaking awful.
Fine thread pipe and a nut, or a nut and a pipe, and have a heim in there. And that way you can, once it's all done,
You can adjust
raise
it.
and lower this, you know, 1.5 inches to get that thing where it's perfectly straight, and then throw yourself.
Well, what about putting a lift? Will a lift fit inboard of this? That'll gain us a bunch more room.
Yeah, but then where's you're going with your sides?
Do we have, well, I guess we do have to have the sides on, that was the idea, but can the sides stay in the belly and more have the lift and the bar work? I'm just asking.
I would have it to where it's rare to go.
Well, hold all that for a second. Is this resting on here or not?
Yes.
It doesn't have to. That's what I'm saying. You got it in the position you want. Put a heim on the end of that, and then you can raise and lower. Just take you a 5/8 jam nut right in the thread.
That's going to do it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. It is raining big time outside right now. We will keep you abreast of if we go anywhere this weekend. Catch y'all later.